Today I'm gonna talk about something that I really like. So, whether you are a government employee, someone creating recipes, creating anything that has like a book, and then you have the outline and then the body of the manual or the book or any other thing, then you can use something called Outline Expander. So it's very simple. I will give you like the prompt and you need to save this prompt. Make sure you have it here and you save it somewhere. I'll put it in the comments where you can take it and save it and use it later on. So what does it say? As an outline expander, so what I'm doing here, I'm telling ChatGPT that he is an outline expander. Generate a bullet point outline based on the input that I give you, and then ask me for which bullet point you should expand on. So here we can use many things from that from what we learned before. Like I can either ask ChatGPT to ask me more questions about my topic, or I can just create the topic for them to create. And then we say create new outline for the bullet point that I select. At the end, ask me for what bullet point to expand next. Ask me for what to outline. So by having that, then ChatGPT will say, sure, let's get started. And I know from my friends there are many projects going on now about the Excellence Award in government entities. So let me tell him I want Excellence Award manual for government entity. And here is the manual. So what do we get? And then, because what we said in the prompt at the end, we told them at the end, ask me for what bullet point to expand next. So now, after providing me with the outline, which is like eligibility criteria, award category, submission process, it is asking me, please let me know which bullet point you would like me to expand on. And then I'm saying 1A, and then we will have like full description of 1A. So you see what we can do extra. We can, for example, say and give me some examples on every point. So let me create this. I'll copy it, and then I will ask ChatGPT to expand next. Ask me for what point to expand next, and I can say and give for every point an example, let me say a practical example. So now we can change the prompt to suit your needs. And how you can do that is very simple. Remember this prompt, and now I'm gonna say the same. I want excellence manual for government entities. Now I will get the same, you see, and it will ask me for what point I want to expand on. So what I want to expand on, which is 2A now. Let me see if it will give me examples. So you see now it is a little bit different, and it gave me the example. Let's consider a ministry of education in a country and then you can divide and conquer, meaning you can dissect the problem, and instead of having like government entity, you can tell them for Abu Dhabi, for Dubai, and then you specify the award that you are applying to, and you will get the excellence manual. Let's say I want the same prompt. Let me copy the same prompt, which is again, what is it? It is act as an outline expander. Again, outline expander. When they know that they are an outline expander, it works differently. So let me say, if you don't give this prompt, I like to give the example with or without. So if I say excellence manual for government entity, we have this one, but then we cannot expand on the points that we need, because even if we have the manual, then we will not have the expansion. So you see, once I put 20A, it went all over the place. So most importantly in ChatGPT, we are using LLM models is to focus on the prompt, and that's why prompt engineering is becoming one of the highest paying jobs in IT, because this will change the way business is done. And then you can embed it. Why I'm saying that? Because you can embed it internally with other APIs and with the internal processes of the company. So you can use it through ChatGPT, or you can use it directly through other applications. So once you know how to prompt it, and sometimes you don't know about like this excellence manual, or like HR manual, or staff manual, or university induction program, or HR induction manual. So instead of copying from somewhere else, you can put your flavor here. So let's say you tell him, ask me enough questions about the hotel, then you will get about information about the hotel. Once you feed that in, you will get the manual custom based on your needs. I hope this is very important and is very useful actually for you. So please use it, save it, and let's work together from there. You will really love it once you're using it efficiently. I like to offer you like my so let's say we are working in different domain. Let's say it is like staff manual for university, and then we can ask ChatGPT to develop the manual. And now I'm gonna make it a little bit more interesting, and because I really want it to be a little customized, so let me say act as an outline expander. So now we will combine one thing from what we learned before with this one, which is the persona. Again, act as an outline expander, and we want them to ask me more questions about the bullet point that I wanna expand on. Generate bullet point based on the input that I give you, and then ask me for which bullet point you should expand on. I will add another comment. Ask me more questions on the input that I provide in order to customize the manual to fit my organization. Okay? So let's see how it will work now. So I will ask again for, finally ask me which one. Let's get started. What would you like the outline on? So let's say HR induction. HR induction, it is everywhere. So now we see that we have the outline expander asking us questions. So once we answer this, it will be customized to our experience. I hope you like what you saw. Please don't forget to subscribe and like, and let's be tuned for next subjects. Thank you.